y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me. On my channel I do mobile home living. I do cleaning, shopping, hauls, any and everything pertaining to being a mom. I do it because I'm a single mom of 3. So in today's video, you guys, I want to clean out my refrigerator and organize it. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like my refrigerator sometimes can get neglected. I try to clean it at least once a month, but sometimes I get too busy or sometimes I just forget, and it doesn't get done. So I want to try to get it cleaned out today. And then I also want to organize it just to try to help it stay clean a little longer. That way, if something happens and I don't get to it, then I don't have to really worry about it too much. But I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what it looks like now, and then we're going to clean it out. And then once we get everything cleaned out and I can go through, I'm going to take everything out. That way I can go through and see if there's anything that's expired or that isn't any good anymore. And then I have some bins and stuff that I bought, and we'll use those to get it a little more organized. But I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and I'm going to show you guys what we're working with.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? More than
feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest.
Yo, oh my gosh. When I saw this, I almost stopped filming. I thought this is the grossest thing and they're all gonna judge me. But then I said, you know what? This is my real life. This is what it's like to be a mom. When you have kids, they always make messes. And sometimes they don't always tell you about the messes. But then I thought to myself, you know what? This is real life. And my true friends, i.e. you guys, my subscribers, probably can relate to this. And you guys won't judge me. So I think I'm just going to keep filming. This wasn't visible to me because it was underneath the pull-out drawer in the refrigerator, so you could never see it. It was really sticky. I think this was Kool-Aid that the kids spilled and they didn't tell me they spilled it, so it never got cleaned up. Y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know if you found a mess that your kids had made and didn't tell you about it and you found it on your own. And remember, this is a judgment-free zone, so there's no judgment here. now that we have the refrigerator cleaned out, I want to go ahead and start organizing it. I have all my bins ready that I want to put everything in. So we're going to go ahead and start organizing, and then we will start putting everything in the refrigerator, and then I'll show you guys how it looks once we get everything in there. Alright you guys, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for coming and hanging out with me. I hope you guys use some of these tips and tricks that I use to organize my refrigerator. I was kind of hesitant about showing this video or doing this video and showing you guys my refrigerator because it was so messy and I hadn't had a chance to clean it in a while. But this is real life and I wanted to show it to you guys. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and record it. Because we as moms, we do get really busy and we don't always have time to clean the refrigerator, and I feel like the refrigerator is one of the things that kind of gets neglected or pushed on the back burner a lot, and we don't get to clean it that often. So that's why that's what made me go ahead and record it and show it to you guys. So leave me a comment down below and let me know, how often do you guys actually clean your refrigerator, or how often do you try to clean your refrigerator? Because I try to do mine once a month, but I don't always get to it. So yeah, leave me a comment and let me know how often you clean your refrigerator, and what other places in your homes do you feel like kind of gets neglected and pushed on the back burner and you don't really have time to always get to it or to clean it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram at Life of Chaos. And the link will always be in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.